Oh, there's no one. For once, there's no one here.
Do you want to
All right,
do
let's
you
go.
want to change to hostile maybe?
And we're gonna go to static. There will be reds in the static. Trust me. There's always reds in the static. I always seem to dying here.
Oh my god, this W does so much damage.
I still can't believe we all agreed to do this.
Bro, I'm having fun. That's what matters.
Zalman
Yeah,
on
me
a
too.
mule.
All right,
So
let's see if
funny.
we can kill these two. There's two. There's two glowers. All right,
Pop your
3,
foods.
2.
Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, we definitely got it. Try to hit them both with your W, guys.
There you go.
I mean, we can use our E's one by one, like I said.
Oh yeah, just pull the whole.
You're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead.
Oh god, it's fake news.
Guys, just use your E's, please.
We have enough healers.
No.
We need higher spec. That's what we need. All right.
We're here to get spec.
Yep. These mobs are just haters. All right.
Actually, not bad.
I know. Don't forget the bramble seed, guys. It's like 8-second cooldown. There you go.
We need to don't make them spread out, you know? So we do AoE damage.
Can someone heal me? Oh yeah.
Yeah, also there was here.
Why? But this is more fun than regular flame farming.
Yep.
So nature staffs are actually good.
Yeah.
Imagine if we were all 100 specking these things.
Guys, use your W E one by one. Does it stack the sanity?
Here's a, yeah. I think it really, in the end, doesn't really matter because there's just so much healing going on. In the end, I think we're all good. See, think about these pulls. We had a lot more trouble a few minutes ago in the other T6 than we're having here. Like when we're all geared out, you know. Who joined? Let's get the chest.
I did.
Hey,
Hey, how are you?
we're only going good gear right now, alright? Watch the stream, you'll know.
Okay.
Look how many thorns are on the ground.
Nice guardian, hello.
Whoever's got the heavy armor, turn on that 10% less health. That'll help a lot. So with your heavy armor, if you select the other bottom passive, it reduces their health by 12%.
Guys, we forgot the boss.
We don't need a boss. We're too good.
Yeah.
You know, I think Zyga's got an idea over here, all right? The stalker jacket, all right? Imagine a whole party of just Hellions instead of stalkers, though. That's a lot of. Oh wait, after everyone's healing him, he's still only getting 35% healing reduction. So I don't think it matters how much we heal each other. You don't listen.
He was a big fool.
What? swap it. Let's try. Kill this birdie. Somehow thorns hurt birds. Alright. Who's way back there?
Yeah, but really.
Is it
It's
the
tail. Tail is there.
Oh. Hola. Who joined?
My internet died.
Oh, your internet died. That explains why you're way back there.
And we left you. We don't care about you.
I love you too, Jason.
Maybe like Hellion jackets and mage hoods, you know? Or the Ava hoods. The ones that beam. No, mage hoods. Mage hoods.
Let me try switching to my neighbor's Wi-Fi. Be back to you in a bit.
You know, I wonder if these. You guys think the thorns actually stack?
Ooh, 9 reds right now.
What?
We have nine reds now.
We got this. Tell's gone. I am down to fight if you guys are down to fight.
Do it.
All right, remember, you guys, thorns are our lifeblood in this fight. All right, we have to make the ground black with thorns. All right, if we're gonna win. Let's just run across. Or let's just. Do you want to run the way we cleared? Or yeah, we just clear these as we go. Because if anything, we can just retreat the way we came. We'll have to let them come into us. We'll do like a retreating fight, you know. Or you know what? Fuck it. We just charge them. They won't know what to expect. All right. Yeah, no, they're not gonna expect that though. They're gonna expect like a proper like shit. Not much of nature stuff. And we'll all just bramble seed the healer. They're here. They're here. Go, 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 go into them. Go into them. They're coming in. Bramble seed. Bramble.
Oh, that didn't work.
Not work. You tried. Are we running?